Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, March 14th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. A little frustrated, in fact, very frustrated. Again, nobody's fault but my own. I didn't think I saw the market well, but I think M period kind of verified what I thought should not have happened with this mess down here. But it doesn't matter. Didn't do much in the afternoon at all. I made money on the day. It was in the morning. We'll go over everything in a minute. NQ, let's start off first with. They end 8 wide with today's high and low. That's it. They did not gap higher today. We did again. Righty, gapped higher, fills it. They go out with a double distribution day. If they had another couple of minutes in M, they probably would have taken it back because of these weak-ass shorts. What they did in the afternoon, and I'm so happy they got absolutely ripped apart. It shows you how frustrated I am. We gapped higher today, only to fill it. We had a chance for a trend day up, only to fail. We had a chance for a trend day down, only to fail. The bulls had everything going for them early in the day, so when they did pull back, now I'm not surprised where they pulled back from. They pulled back from a very visual area, which was a 200-day moving average in SPY. They got a little bit above it and failed. So I'm not surprised they pulled back. But I did tell the room, look, our range is small, and we've taken out both sides of the IB so many times this year. So I wouldn't put it past if we did it. But I was kind of not really expecting that, to be honest with you. I mean, this is our 49th trading day. We've taken out the IB high and low, 19 out of 49. That's amazing. We've had 27 gaps out of 49 trading days. Tremendous amount of times we've tried to go trend. So when we pulled back, first off, I took a short on the opening and right before the open to see if we front run the overnight high. I ended up losing 3 points on that. No big deal. Because then after the market started showing me they wanted to go higher, I did nothing but long A and B. I was long 70 mini in A and B period. So that made my day right there. Thank goodness. D period, I took a short because I didn't think we were going to hold single prints. We didn't. F period now. The rest of the day between F and I took about, not a lot. I only took about 4 or 5 lots total and ended up losing $200 because I was looking for longs. Okay? I didn't think we were going to take this all back. So believe it or not, my first long was in F. And I longed to I. I didn't do anything afterwards. So losing $200 wasn't bad. They were only 1 lots. I kept taking them off. I thought we'd get a pullback. I thought we'd hold the opening. I was wrong. I thought we'd hold yesterday's low. I was wrong. Then we go down. I said, well, we're going to go get the POC. We did. We didn't get the overnight POC, though, of 18 wide. But we did get the regular POC from yesterday in ES and SPY. NQ did not get theirs from yesterday. Righty did not get theirs. But I was very, very neutral now. They couldn't get legs back up. I'm like, I don't mind them taking out the day's low. But then we shouldn't really be playing down here. And we ended up having 6 time frames. In fact, we lowered the POC down to here, to L's high. Now, SPY, I believe, got back to C and D's low. So I think SPY ended 7 wide up here. But ES missed. I believe they missed. Let me see. Oh, no, they didn't. They got it. So believe it or not, they tried to lower POC in L, and M ripped it right back to where it was. So I'm frustrated because this was 2 hours worth of bullshit. Okay, and I'm so happy these shorts got ripped apart because it kind of, just makes it better for me to say I wasn't as wrong as this market was trying to make me out to be down here. Anyway, I'm telling you, I get more frustrated when I don't see the market as opposed to losing money. Same with technology issues. But I still was green on the day, but very frustrated. I just should have jumped on a long and M and laughed my ass off all the way up. Anyway, destinations. Upside is 393.45 for SPY daily high. You should have all the single prints from the 9th I gave you. Today's low is 387.05. ES upside 72.50. And then the downside today's low of 0550. So if we open up inside of today's range tomorrow, put your hard hats on because there's nothing to hang on to. We're in a 3-day balance right now. Let's go to those charts real quick. I'll show you the weekly and the daily. So the weekly, remember, we had an outside week down. It was successful yesterday for a while, but now we're firmly back inside last week's low by $7. Now the weekly is still down, but the outside week down hasn't produced much since Monday morning. Look where we closed, right at that lower high trend line. And then on the daily, remember, SPY has ex-dividend Thursday night, and we have expiration on Friday. SPY is strictly in a 3-day balance, okay? They closed above their lower high trend line from last year. We got up to the 200 and got punched in the face the first time today, but it's a 3-day balance. Today is the high of it, tomorrow is the low of it. So even if we gap lower tomorrow, if we do not take out Monday's low, we're still just in balance. But if we gap higher tomorrow, the daily would go back to up. The 20 has crossed the 50 by a little bit. Yep, 8 cents. But again, that was a non-factor last time it did that. So I hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.